Most people, they say they are learning blockchain, but they have never actually built a real DApp. And here's the problem. You watch tutorials, you understand concepts, you even know words like smart contracts, Web3, layers, and so on. But when someone says, okay, build something, then screen goes blank. That's exactly where people get stuck. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through step by step how to actually build your first DApp. Not theory, not boring slides, a real working app. And trust me, by the end, you will be like, okay, wait, this is actually doable. So before jumping in, let's keep it simple. We are not building some crazy $1 million startup app. Okay, we are building a basic DApp, something like a simple store a message on blockchain app. Why? Because if you understand this, you can build anything later. See, think of it like learning to cook. And first, you make Maggi, right? Not biryani. So a DApp has three main parts. Front end, what users see, that is your website. Smart contracts, logic stored on blockchain, and wallet connection, like MetaMask. That's it. If this clicks, you are already ahead of most beginners. So step 1, let's set up your environment. Okay, don't overcomplicate this part. You just need node.js, a video editor, VS Code, MetaMask wallet, and yes, install hard hat because we will use it for smart contracts. See, a first time setup feels annoying, but once done, you are set for months, okay? So do it. Step 2, write your smart contract. Now here's the part where people actually panic. Smart contract. Like, okay, cool, but where do I even write this thing? So let me tell you properly. You create a project folder, open it in VS Code, install hard hat, and inside the contract folder, you create a file called message.sol. And that's literally where your smart contract lives. And once you write this simple code and compile it, congrats, you just build your first blockchain logic. Then step 3, deploy the contract. Okay, now comes the fun part, deployment. Till now, your smart contract was just sitting in your laptop, like a student waiting for a placement. Now we are actually sending it to blockchain. So first, we use Cephalonia test network. No real money risk, okay? Then we connect our wallet and some free ETH. Configure hard hat, and finally we run one command. And boom, your contract goes live. And when you see that contract address, I am telling you that moment it's different. And see, first time it might fail like wrong RPC, no ETH, private key issue. But don't panic, just fix it step by step, okay? Then step 4, build the front end and connect wallet. Now this is where things get interesting. Till now everything was backend, invisible. Now we actually create a UI, buttons, input, something we can click. Then we connect MetaMask. And suddenly no login system needed, just wallet. Then we connect our smart contract. And when you click send message, MetaMask pops up, you approve, and boom, your data goes to blockchain. And I'm telling you, first time this works, it feels like magic. Then step 5, test everything. See, please don't skip this, okay? Things will break like 100%. Transactions fail, gas error, then wrong contract address. But this is where you actually learn. Fixing bugs is equal to real growth. Let me be honest. Most people watch tutorials, copy code, feel productive, but they never build from scratch. And that's why they stay stuck. If you want to grow, then build even a small ugly project, but build it yourself. Your first DApp won't be perfect. It might look bad, it might break. Half the time you won't even know what's happening. But that's exactly how every developer starts. Even the best ones were confused beginners one. So see, don't just watch this video and move on. Open your laptop, try building this simple DApp today itself. Even if it takes 3 to 4 hours, even if you get stuck, just start. And also, I have already made a video on top 10 blockchain projects for Resume. You can go check that out as well. And if you want me to do this today's DApp video completely practical, step by step on screen, just comment below.